VJ Pre is a UP Fighting Maroon. And Mario, matagal ko sinasabi sa ito na 2, 3 weeks ago na, promises are meant to be broken when it comes to the UAP. Alam naman natin na there are also always technicalities when it comes to hindi namin kukunin yan, kukunin namin to. Maybe they waited for VJ Pre to leave. But then again, based dun sa statement ng bata, it looks like it's a family decision, no? Lagi niya binabalik dun sa family niya on why he did this move on or why they did
Mhm.
this move. And in a way, nagigets ko naman, we are not in his position to say
Yeah.
na we don't know what it feels like na to be put in that position why he had to leave.
Yeah.
W- Wala tayo, at the end of the day, we're just here to observe what happens between the players and all their movement, no? And for me, this is crazy considering na season 89 pa siya makakapasok, that shaves off 2 playing years. But strictly basketball, strictly when it comes to retooling a roster, wag muna tayo pumunta dun sa parang pirate, ganyan-ganyan. Let's talk about the state of the teams, no? Let's realize na this is the final year of the NU boys. Sina Harold Alarcon, Jerry Abadiano, John Felicilda, Raylan Torres, they're all leaving. So it's gonna be
Yeah.
an entirely new group of UP players.
I
So gets ko
mean,
why they had to look for a new face of the franchise.
franchise.
Sorry, new face
I
of
mean,
a school of of UP Diliman.
let's be somewhat real about this. They were really gonna find another face. Kasi as of the people right now, I think si Noy Remogat na lang ata yung best option. By the way, guys,
Pero
sorry,
2 years na rin ata yun, 2, 3 years
different
na naman.
venue, different venue ako today kasi napaka-call lang kami ni Nico bigla. Pero,
Kailangan.
so, but basically, gets ko naman yung sinasabi nila. But then, and now UP does look genuinely stacked. Well, I mean, actually, if you look at their lineup, are they really that stacked? Especially because VJ comes in
Saks
two
pa lang,
years from
sakto
now,
lang.
right? So that's what? That is Noire Mogat. That is VJ Pre. That
Mm,
is, I think Chico Briones is still gonna be there by that point. I
I
think they
think
still
so. I think
I
so.
think so. So I think they still have Gani for by that point, and I think they still have Sean. Right? Tama ba? I mean,
Who's
yeah,
Sean?
Alter.
Ay,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
alter.
Alter.
This is si
I
Sean.
think sorry, I think those
Sorry.
people are still there. Pero
Okay.
is it the most stacked lineup in the world? Pero of course, may dadagdag pa dyan, guys. Sure, bull naman tayo dyan. When we can see it right now. But yung point
Mm.
ko na gusto ko lang iparating is I don't personally enjoy this whole let's spin it on the family thing, dude. For
That's the
me,
narrative eh. Yun yung
yeah, I know
parang
that's the
press
narrative.
release na nakikita natin.
Yeah, but like that's the narrative. That's what they're gonna say. Nah, that's
Mm.
what happened. Oh, the family was the one who decided he leaves. Let's be as real as we can be without me cursing. But let's be as real as I can be, guys. You can't tell me these offers weren't in place beforehand. What do you mean? Were you telling me that the UP, DSU, UST only made offers once VJ left the school? I doubt. All of these things have been in play for a while now, and that's the reality of it. And it kind of does suck. If you ask me, huh, if we keep doing this thing where we take the best players away from these smaller programs, dude, let's just cancel the regular season, man. Who like let's be so real. It's if every year it's just either Ateneo, not barely even Ateneo, but maybe this year.
Barely. Wala pa nga.
Yeah. This year, guys. Trust. Anyway. But like
Trust. Final four.
it's at UP, it's at DLSU, it's at UST. When was the last time these FEU teams have actually sniffed a chance at a championship? FEU, Adamson, UE, NU. When have these guys actually, in recent memory,
Mm.
they actually been like, oh damn, it's gonna be one of them, guys? None of these years so far, nobody has genuinely thought that these teams were better than DLSU at Ateneo. Yes, may mga times na you're like, oh, they can steal a win. But at the end of the day, it was always going to be either UP or DLSU or UST, diba? That has been the narrative. And it will continue to stay that way. Let's be real, it will continue to stay that way when we just keep allowing for these things to happen. Only at the end of the day, choice pa rin ni VJ yan.
Yeah.
Maybe we're wrong in talking about this. But then maybe choice pa rin talaga ni VJ yan na, okay, I really want to transfer to another university. Pero it's kind of becoming too much of a how do I say this? It's too much of a norm at this point. This whole pitasan bullshit has become such a norm in the UAAP system today na what are we doing, diba? We have Baklaan who just left NU to go to the LSU.
Pero
We
iba
have
yung circumstances sa kay Kian eh. There are things na behind the scenes that I can't say it here. It's not our story to tell.
yeah,
But
but
yeah,
anyway,
pero gets ko yung sabi mo na players nagiging normalized na yung players
yeah,
leaving. And even though na ginawa nila yung 2 years, Mario, na playing years, wala pa rin eh, no? Para it doesn't
ganun pa rin yun.
kinda
Laro pa rin sila
mangyayari pa rin eh.
like at the end of the day, yes, sige, valid. If they did offer you more, if they gave you more benefits, whatever and all that, yes, if you want to prepare for your family. Pero in general, just the whole thought process of it, medyo may iintindihan mo saan nanggagaling yung inis ng mga tao. It's the same system as in the PBA when we all get so mad na, shit, SMB got, who did
This
SMB get?
guy, oo.
SMB
Ay,
got
hindi, sina Wami
Yeah,
Chongson at
SMB
si,
got Wami and
oh,
Tahimik for scrap metal, for Terence Romeo and Vic Manuel. And oh damn, he never got Troy Rosario for a bag of chips. Alam mo yun, yung those are the realities now in so many of these things that money is starting to talk and it's starting to genuinely become um an annoying part of it. But it is the reality right now. Wala naman tayong magagawa. But I just want to say
mm,
this. I am friends with a lot of people from DLSU. Okay. And
okay.
ever since this post has come out, they were like, what could you expect from a school that only Pirates players? Come on. What come on. Guys, yeah, guys. Ang, I don't want to say ang kapal na mukha, but bro, come on. You have taken Kian, you have taken Ife, Mason, you have Luis, you even have
Cortez.
you have Jacob
Cortez.
Cortez, and marami pang on the way for DLSU. You can't tell me this whole daya ng UP. They ano sila, nagpipirata sila ng player. Please, man.
Mm.
You're doing it too. Let's not do this. Let's not do this shit. I'm not promoting it, but if anything, let's not be hypocritical about it, guys.
Yeah, exactly. And for me, yung competitiveness talaga iniisip ko, all the more mas nagiging importante si Coach Sean Chambers for FEU now that he really has to up the recruitment, especially sa Philams. No choice na rin na they have to go overseas. Kasi yung labanan sa locals na pupunta dito sa mga teams na may budget. I'm not saying na walang budget ng FEU, pero kung i-compare mo yung budget ng mga boosters ng Tamaraw sa UP Diliman or Green Archers or maybe Ateneo UST, medyo may gap based on na nakikita natin, may gap talaga. And there will be more moves that are going to happen, especially nga na hindi pa nag-announce si Colin Sokowe, hindi pa nag-announce si Chris Porter after leaving Ateneo. May mga moves pa na ganun na hindi rin natin alam. I think Chris Porter is doing his rounds with the UAP schools. There are like 5 people that DM me, oy, si Chris Porter na sa UST dito tumitingin sa dorm. So, so parang nakakatawa lang na it's people I don't know just messaging me na, Nico, alam mo ba si ganyan?
Yeah.
But hey man, that's the UAP right now. That's the game. It's the
That's
game,
the
eh. You can't hate the
UAAP right
player, hate the
now.
game.
Yeah, I hate this current system of the UAAP, but this is the reality we live in. And at the end of the day, if we just want to talk about pure firepower, UP has now kind of found its next guy, right?
That's
Like
their next phase. That's their next phase for sure.
yeah, unless they somehow, who else could they possibly get pa ba?
Well, I don't know. They have to go stateside. Parang they really have to look for someone na I'm not saying Janty Miller, pero kung ano sila, because Janty Miller's a beast,
Anthony
bro.
Miller's
You
a
you have
baller,
seen
guys.
Janty Miller. I'm
Anthony
not
Miller's
saying
a
guys, mga
baller.
nakikinig walang confirmed reports. We're
Yeah.
just saying
Not
na
even any, there are no
sinasagot
reports either way.
sinasagot ko lang si Mario na sino pa bang pwede. Eh siya yung next best na naisip ko. I've covered that guy 5, 6 games on Asia Basket, so really a witness to how
I'm a
good
fan
that
of
guy is.
Jantin. He almost
Oh.
eliminated Ateneo.
Almost eliminated Ateneo. Almost beat
Oh,
LaSalle in the regular season. Talo
yeah,
Beda by 2. But that's
good
beside the
baller.
point. No?
Really good baller.
There are a lot of, no player is safe. No player is safe. No family is safe when
Si
it
Luka
comes
nga,
to,
si Luka nga na-trade ng Dallas pa si VJ
iba
Pre pa.
naman yun, di naman school yun eh.
Si VJ Pre pa kaya. Alam mo yun, but ayun,
Pero,
this is
eto
just my
Mario,
thoughts about it, diba?
how do we look at FEU this coming season? Like here in the Phil Oil, they played well, but then again they beat a UE team na wala na medyo scraps na lang. No? It's the Momoway and Abate show, and then no one else.
John Abate, that's my boy.
We love John Abate.
What's this
How do
called?
we see FEU? Do you see them as a top 6 team? Top 6? I mean,
Eight schools. I mean,
I don't know.
There are only 8 schools.
So, sorry, do you see them competing for the Final Four, at least like a threat, or they're really on the outside looking in?
For
Anything
me,
beyond, anything above six is wow, galing.
who's left? John
Okay,
Ray,
here I have the roster.
not
For
Reyes,
FEU, main
Konate.
guys, Jorik, Jedrick Daa, Pasaol, JR Pasaol.
Yeah, John Ray.
And
Si
if
Mo
you're gonna
Konate.
Moko Nate and Kirby Mokopa. That's it.
Mhm. I,
That's it.
let's call a spade, guys. VJ Pre was that team.
He
Like
is the
he
team.
was he was the main centerpiece of that team. Anyway, sorry, I forgot. I just want to add this. I love the fact
Mm.
that Coach Sean Chambers did not throw any shade at all. So
Wala. Sabi niya lang na he's just a kid. Let's just respect what he wants.
yeah, I am back. So yeah, basically, he was that team. VJ Pre was that team. And now that they lost him, let's be real, it's like losing your main guy. You don't really expect much from them this upcoming year. And in general naman, I think this upcoming year has kind of already been set with the teams with the firepower of the teams left. You still have DLSU still has Kia and is Kian playing this year? No.
Yeah,
Yan,
yeah, Kian's playing this year na.
Kian,
Maglalaro na yan.
Kian is
Sabay sila ni
playing,
Jacob.
Jacob is playing, you have
Mason is playing na rin.
Mason, you
Mike
have Mike, you have
Phillips.
Luis, and you have
Si
Boris,
Makalalag, si Nagoliena.
Boris,
You have those guys. They're
kompleto
deep.
pa yan.
Sila
Kompleto pa yan. Final
favorites for
Four,
88.
sigurado. UP still has UP players. UP still has
Alarcon.
Alarcon, Abadiano. Now they add Noy Remogat. Now they have a full year with Danny Stevens. I forgot. I know they have another recruit. I kind of just. Yung taga San Beda.
San
Uh,
Beda. Si ano? Si Payusing. Pero
yeah,
89
yeah,
pa yun.
James Payosing.
Sabay-sabay siya with, I think sabay siya with Pre.
Okay. Anyway, basta yun. So
Yeah.
they're also fairly set. So yan, Final Four team. UST has now. You have Fortsky. You have Nick, and you still have your FSA in
Wala na si Conan. Wala na si Tungkar.
Tungkaro.
I feel like it's gonna be Osang na. Wala na si Tungkar,
Still,
bro.
still,
Nag-pro na siya sa ano,
ah,
Cameroon. I think, I don't
that's
know
still a
what
good
country,
player.
but he left USC already.
Anyway, but still, that's a very good team pa rin. And UST has,
Hmm.
they still have, what's his name? Asido.
Sabanero. Yeah,
Uh,
they have Asido
yeah,
pa.
Asido who's added in.
And si
So,
Koji Buenaflor,
yeah.
yung ano nila, the prize recruit from this year.
So, yun, Final Four team. Ateneo, just because I have to say it, Ateneo, I do believe is a Final Four team this year with
I
the
think
addition.
people are also witnesses to Ateneo. They saw what Ateneo did
Come
ng Asia
on,
Basket. Oh,
guys. Come
di
on.
ba?
Kimani Rat.
Come on. Come
Come
on.
on. Come on. Sorry. But ayun, Kimani is now there. You have a real FSA now in what's his name? In Divine Adili. And you have seen genuine improvement, or we have all seen genuine improvement from Ian Espinosa. So I would argue that that's already your Final Four, although it could be a bit early. But then the rest of the teams kind of have to catch up at this point, if you ask me. NU lost their big man, lost their main guy.
Si Collins, no? Parang di na ata
Hindi,
siya. Basta ba?
si
Collins ako eh? Or si Diasana?
Diasana, Mo Diasana was supposed to be their FSA, but he's injured. And
Yeah.
who's
ACL niya pa
replacing
rin,
him?
men.
And you still do not have, you still couldn't replace Kian Bakalaan. You basically got nothing. So it's not the strongest team right now. You even lost Jolo Manansala. You even to Rain or Shine. So now you're
Mm.
not as strong
Wait,
either.
wait, that's not Jolo Manansala. That is Mike Malonzo.
You're Mike Malonzo, sorry.
Yeah, Mike
Malonzo
Malonzo.
still,
Yeah,
yeah.
Jolo. I was like, Jolo Manansala, the Raider shite. No, no. Yeah.
UE, UE's Momoway and Abate. That's it.
Yeah,
And
and Welo Lingo Lingo
oh
if,
yeah,
diba?
Welo.
If the shooting decides to show
Welo.
up.
And we don't even know, malay mo may changes pa coming from UE, diba? And then even like if teams like Adamson is the Manzano and Montebon, but then those players, those teams still do not necessarily have the firepower that those four I mentioned earlier have. So I when we talk about the firepower right now, it's really between those four main universities, if you ask me.
Yeah, while for UP 89, they look like solid contenders, definitely with VJ Pre and another year's worth of recruitment, no? Because the 89's next year.
Um,
And we know that UP will not sleep.
True.
If they're always gonna find the best recruits to join Diliman, the Fighting Maroons.
Ano mo
So
si
I hope you
Bronny?
guys. I'm sorry,
Bronny.
bro. Get out of the Lakers. We'll pay you more.
Promise, I'll pay you more.
Iwanan mo tatay mo.
Oh,
Kami na bahala sa'yo.
kami na bahala sa'yo, pre.
LeBron, paano mo na yan?
Pero,
Di ba? Na naman yan eh. Dito
ay,
gagamitin ka namin. 35
yeah,
minutes, Bronny.
exactly. Bronny would play you. You'll be the star.
Oh,
Like,
sure. I love that. Philippines, let's go. Anyway, yun lang naman guys. Very quick reaction to VJ Prem moving to UP Diliman. It's a move that we felt like weeks was happening for a while now. He's been cooking up for weeks ever since he left or ever since he decided na he's unsure of joining or rejoining FEU for this coming UAP season. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Mario, Six Man Podcast. Follow niyo siya on Instagram here. And we'll see you all next time. Peace.